Now we will discuss subsets. The definition of subset is there in its name. So what is a subset? Let A and B be two sets. Then A is said to be a subset of B, denoted in this way, if all the elements of A are there in B. For example, if I have a set A having 1, 2, 3, 3 elements, and a set B having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, then here all the elements of A are there in B. So we can say that yes, A is a subset of B. In this case, B is called superset of A. If I have a set A having objects 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B having elements 3, 4, 5, 6, neither A is a subset of B nor B is a subset of A. As discussed earlier, the set of all natural number is a subset of whole numbers because there is one more extra element, namely 0. Whole number is a subset of integers. Integers is a subset of rationals. Set of all rationals is a subset of real. There is a notion of proper subset. The definition goes like this. Let A and B be two sets. We say that A is a proper subset of B if first A is a subset of B. Second, there is an element in B which is not there in A. That means there is an extra element in B which is not there in A. Then we say that A is a proper subset of B. For example, if I have a set A having these elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B having these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then yes, we can say that A is a proper subset of B because A is a subset of B and there is an extra element, namely 5, which is there in B but not in A. Now if I take A to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and B to be 1, 2, 3, 4, then A is a subset of B, but A is not a proper subset of B because there is no extra element in B. So the chain that we have already discussed, the set of all natural number is a proper subset of whole numbers because there is an extra element, namely 0. The set of all whole numbers is a proper subset of integers because there are a lot of elements in integers which are not there in whole numbers, namely all negative integers. Integers is a proper subset of rationals because there is a rational number, namely half, which is not there in integers. Set of all rational number is a proper subset of real numbers because there is a number, namely root 2, which is not rational. So that chain is a proper chain. We will discuss more example in the next video.